Hello guys, good afternoon. Guys, nagluto pa ako ng chicken afritada for my lunch, and also this is good for 6 persons. I hope you like this, guys. I hope you like my video guys. This is what guys, tingnan niyo siya, ang sarap niya. Yan siya. Medyo spicy siya kasi nilagyan ko siya ng powderized black pepper, and sweet and spicy siya kasi I also added a small amount of brown sugar. Yan siya guys. Ito pa ang lunch namin ngayon. Kayo guys, ano ko lunch today? Guys, ingat po tayong lahat sa linggo at saka sa bahay. Let's keep on praying guys. Happy lunch everyone. Bye bye.